Today is Thursday, November the 30th. This is my video submission to the Civilian Review Board, and it's also my whistleblower's application. And I'm submitting this information to the dissent decree, alright, to the task force. My computer's down, but I'm going to download this in a minute. Giving an oversight of all this, my witness protection program is about the prison industry and mass incarceration. Nothing more, nothing less. And it covers Illinois and Maryland. It covers the state's attorneys, the judges, the lawyers, the public defenders. Talking about coercion. Falsely imprisoning free and innocent black people. So this is where we're going at. I'm going to give you an overview of everything, so we got everything on the table, alright? I'm submitting that. And that's the timelines for everything. It shows the state of Maryland, where you charge me with terrorism, and the state of Illinois, where you charge me with terrorism. It gives the times, the dates. It gives everything that breaks you down. So I'm going to break you down here, and I'm going to start you. Like I said, this is my whistleblower's application. It's my whistleblower submission, 2018, and this is from 2011. And I submitted it to the Office of Arts and Promotion because I was making a movie. Rob Fix is my is the guy for my movie. And that movie, the toilet wouldn't bomb. It was a art piece. It was evidence. If I get locked up, he said he'll be my lawyer. So I'm gonna take my chances because the police keep threatening me. I submitted this to the whistleblowers and the judiciary at the Senate. So Van Hollen, Cardins, Mikulski, y'all need to address this. Mikulski's out of office, but Van Halen got her office now. So Cardins and Van Halen, y'all need to address this. Hoyer, Sarbanes, Cummings, y'all need to address this. And Kamenetz. Alright? I ain't gonna get y'all lost. We're gonna start from the beginning. In 2011, on February the 2nd, 2011, I blew the whistle. I turned you in. If you look at that date right there, that's February the 2nd at 8:52 a.m. I went to the state's attorney's office. I went to Greg Bernstein's office. And I gave you these violations. City, county, state, and federal levels. Illinois and in Maryland. And I gave you these cases. Alright? Then I resubmitted it again July the 9th, 2012. Alright? 2012. Mosby got this. Was about to play politics and the corruption in the courts. I'm one of the founding members of the Baltimore Block. We're a grassroots friends, family, and victims assistance, all right? And that's what we do. And I've been documenting this. We about public safety. So Mayor Pugh, Mayor O'Malley, and Mayor Sam Cunningham. This ties y'all cities together. Baltimore and Waukegan. Alright, I am Dred Scott. Blacks have no rights in which white people respect. But we're going to, like I said, break this down. That's me on my Storm Falls Road. That's 2006, so we don't have no misunderstandings. Alright? I turned you in. And when I turned you in, it was about Governor O'Malley's machine. It was about the machine he put together when he was running for office in 2004. So I asked Judge Holland, Judge O'Malley's in Renner's Court, Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson, Judge Bridges, and Judge Rossetti. Alright? He uses Greg Bernstein, he uses Scott Schellenberger, and he uses Marilyn Mosby because they have the power of prosecutorial discretion. With that prosecutorial discretion, they can incarcerate black people and reinvent slavery under the 13th Amendment. Alright? So what I did is I showed how lawyers coerce confessions. I named the public defenders in Illinois and in Maryland that tried to get me to plead guilty to a crime I didn't commit. So you can go to Marilyn Mosby. She got this. The state of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. That was from 2007. The state of Maryland versus Dwayne Davis in 2011. She got that too. She refusing me access to come to her office, but like I said, social media gonna give me that edge that I need. You can also go to Michael Nearham and Waller. Alright? Because that's where it started at. Y'all made me famous for toilets because I put toilets in front of the Towson Courthouse. And the toilet in front of the Towson Courthouse was about the role of media plays and misinformation. It showed WJZ. It showed the bail industry. It showed the public officials getting paid to incarcerate black people. And Pam Woods got a front row seat of this every week when I go to Councilman Quirk's county meetings. All right? She got this. So these are the public officials that got this. All right? State's Attorney, Upper Marlboro. That's Councilman Quirk's office. All right? Chief of Staff, Bobby Zirkin. Because Bobby Zirkin shields the corruption that's going on. Bobby Zirkin has a relationship with the bail bondsmen that is very inappropriate and is centered around a lot of money. The bail bondsman industry. And Bobby Zirkin. Remember that. The field office and the law office, all right? Y'all been blocking subpoenas. Y'all been blocking me access to the court. But this is a whistleblower's application. And as you, as the county attorney, got to take my whistleblower's application when I'm reporting a crime by the public officials. You got to take these charges. You got to take the charges because I was exposed to the corruption in Illinois. You're an investigator. I'm going to turn this over to the Department of Justice. I'm going to let the Civil Rights Division have it as well. Like I said, city, county, state, and federal levels. I'm going civil and criminal divisions of the courts. And I'm going to be in your office. I'm going to be at the county board meeting next week submitting this. You already got the emails. I want all the emails you got. And I want you to answer those questions of that. I'm keeping him in the loop. So he has everything that I'm doing. And you can go directly to Governor Hogan's office. Because like I said, he's had this for a year now. All right? And he ain't did nothing about it. Talk to Bill Ferguson, Taxation Committee. Because like I said, to dismantle the master's house, you got to use the master's tools. And we got to go through the courts. And we got to go through the comptroller's office. And all I want is an audit. Give me an audit. I went to Senator Van Hollen's office. So I want everything like I said. It's my whistleblower's application. You got this. The emails don't lie. I want the emails from Donnie Moses. I want the emails from Commissioner Davis. I want the emails from Jeremy Siebert. All right? I want the emails from Adam May. I want the emails to WJZ. I want all my property and all my information for this whistleblower's application. It's about how you treat black families in Baltimore. I'm going to use these tapes. Those are the transcripts of my trial. Those are the transcripts. There's no law against making a movie. Like I said, I'm finally a member of the Baltimore Block. And the Baltimore Block is still doing police brutality cases. Alright? Constitution and First Amendment says Congress shall make no law. Alright? Religion protecting the freedom of speech. Therefore abridging the freedom of speech or the press or the rights of the people. I got a right to make a movie about you. Like I said, all emails, ddshortman@aol.com from 2008. All right? Long before I got arrested. The movie was about the death and the murder of our kids, all right? That's my son, so I have a vested interest in this situation. Business development, crime and policing issue, job development, other community issues, to be a voice for the underclass and the voiceless, to deal with judicial and political issues that affect the underclass, the death of our young men. You feel me? Crime and policing issues. That's the city of Baltimore. And these are the supporters of Shorties. And I have a lot of supporters. Just because you see me alone don't mean I'm alone. I got a lot of supporters. You feel me? And that's your congressmen and your senators. That's me, a Baltimore City resident. That's congressmen and senators. This is a follow-up letter to the conversation. And like I said, I blew the whistle in and I turned it over to the Department of Justice. 2014, long before you had the DOJ dissent decree. All right? And that's the mail room. And that's the certified mail number. So like I said, we come in full circle here. How to file a complaint? Well, this is the start. Call the Office of Civil Rights. I'm going to file a complaint. I'm going to file it, and you're going to get these videos to go with it, to support it. And I'm going to use social media to make sure it get done to it. It's the Baltimore Block. It's what we do.